I own like 5 pairs of yeah, I stopped at 3.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Starting this vlog off, not really sure where, but so tonight we're going out to this restaurant.
It look good. My friend has a free.
It's called the Izibon. It's a Korean barbecue place. So why are you hiding?
Where Octavia, I'm walking in. Octavia, I'm walking in. Hey guys, so we're in Korean barbecue. Octavia is outside still, but I'm just vlogging for her. Hey guys. So I'm just kind of waiting for her to come in. Oh, there she is. This lighting's great. I'm not looking at the lens. So we're here, we arrived, and look at the lighting, it's really good.
Oh yeah! So we're here too. It's a Korean barbecue place. It's really nice. Did I used to vlogging down here? So we made it inside. This is our little table. Allie's eating her veggies. So we're at this very cute town. This very cute little area. I like this.
Is it raining?
So we're at this place for shaved ice cream. I'm very excited right now because you guys know it's my favorite thing. So after like greasy foods from Korean barbecue, like ice cream is like the best thing to have, I feel like. Here with Allie and Tamara. I also had 2 shots, you guys, and things aren't as they seem right now. Lessons and prosperity. Allie also doesn't feel well. My poor munchkin.
Stop.
Right now I'm kind of like organizing my stuff because it's just chaotic. Like I have too much stuff I need to organize. I don't know if I show you guys the stuff that I got yesterday though at the mall. Let me just clear some of this stuff out. This is my pink slippers. I got them with my pajama purchase. I have the black stripe one and I have the pink one that you guys saw me in earlier. But yeah, let's do a little Sephora haul. So from Sephora, I got a NARS foundation. I picked up the shade Trinidad. She matched me to Macau, but I felt like it was a little bit too olivey or yellowy, and I like to look a little bit more tan, so I decided to just get this. And Tamara was also with me, and she agreed, so I got a NARS foundation. Then I got another beauty blender because the one that I have at home, I don't really use it as much because it's ripped, it's disgusting, and I also needed to get a new one because it's not cute. Like, come on. So I got another beauty blender, and then I got a sample of a highlighter. Tamara uses this one and she says it's really, really good, so I got a little sample just to try it out, only because highlighters, like, I feel like I like them in the store, but then I bring them home and I don't really like them anymore. So from H&M, I basically got this sweatshirt that I'm wearing. I'll show you guys a better look at it some other time. Now I look crazy. And then I got some stuff from Express, and I basically got a pair of jeans. But I want to show you guys what they look like on, so I may wear them tomorrow, then I'll show you guys. Also today I'm gonna not today, but I figured out a way how to get the footage from my camera to my iPhone, so that's how I'm gonna be editing the videos from now on, which will make my life a lot easier because on the computer it was just taking too long, like 2 hours each time, and that's just not working. So now I'm just gonna actually clean up this area, like organize some stuff, because it's really stressing me out. You guys know I don't like mess, like I don't do this, so I'm gonna actually clean this up and kind of like organize my dirty clothes and stuff, and then, you know, that whole thing. So I'll touch base with you guys maybe tomorrow. I feel like this vlog's like really crap though, because like I started off like, and then I had 2 shots of tequila and things just went downhill from there. This is also a blow-up bed. I was staying in the room downstairs, but I feel like the beds are too soft and it's been hurting my back. So they have these like Intex blow-up beds, which we used the last time when we were here at the house in the summertime, and it was really nice. Like, it's very firm. Like, this is almost like an actual bed. So I like firm beds. Like, my bed in my apartment is so stiff. Like, sometimes people lay on it and they're like, girl, it's like sleeping on the floor. But it's honestly a lot better for my posture, so I love it. But yeah, I'm gonna sleep on this for the rest of my stay because my back was hurting so badly. I was like, no, I can't. Hey guys, good morning. So it's Monday? No, Sunday. It's Sunday today. It seems to be raining outside, but either way, it doesn't matter. I just woke up. I'm kind of wearing the same outfit that I had on yesterday. The Gymshark blue top and like the leggings. Only because just want to wear this, and I only wore it for a short while. Not that I need to explain myself with my clothes, but I think they're making fried dumpling downstairs and I need to go now. I haven't had that in so long. Oh, the lighting's really nice here. So as I was saying yesterday, that I'm going to be editing on my phone. Thankfully, I can get the footage from my camera to my phone, so it's making my life a lot easier right now. Thank you, Jesus, because yeah, but that's pretty much the plan for today. I wanted to go to the mall to finish up like Christmas shopping, but I'm kind of over it, to be honest. I really am. But let me just give you guys a little view of what I'm seeing. So this is what it looks like outside. It's so pretty. That's pretty much it. Let's go downstairs though, see what they're cooking up. But first I'm gonna make my bed. So you guys know how I was on the blow-up bed. My aunt came upstairs and she was like, no, let's make it pretty. So look what she did. She turned it into a little, she gave me a little bedside table. She gave me a lamp and the headboard. She's so cute. So that's pretty much what I did. So I'm gonna go downstairs. I'll take you guys though. Let's see what they're cooking. Some orange juice, and tea. I'll put it there.
Whenever I pop pimples, it starts.
We have some liver, orange.
I can't pop it.
I want to take care of that tea.
We have made it to Waffle House. Let me hide the girls because they're camera shy. And I got the waffle, orange juice, and a coffee. And then I got the Texas bacon cheesesteak melt. Well, we all did. And yeah, I'm excited. Hey guys, so it's Tuesday today, it's Christmas Eve. I'm currently frying fish. It's like fried fish and it's on like a coal stove. I don't know if you guys can see that, but so Jamaican. But yeah, I have like a whole thing left to do. And then this is done. But I'm gonna sneak a piece for sure. But yeah, it's Tuesday today. We're just gonna do this, do some other festive stuff like make cookies and stuff later on, me and Allie. And then we have to go to this church service for my aunt. That's pretty much the plan. So this is the fish, nice and brown. And now I'm gonna just have this sit outside in the frying pan and just like get a little bit soft because it's gonna need to be, it needs to go in this for the escabeche part of this process. So yeah, that's pretty much it for now. I'm gonna go inside because outside looks a little bit cloudy. That's my niece over there, Amira. Mira. Alright, I'm gonna go inside. I'm tired. Hey guys, so it's Christmas Eve night. I think I spoke to you guys earlier when I was frying the fish and stuff, but now we just left a church service, which is so cute.
Long lay the voices of God.
I didn't really vlog there because it was just really like intimate and quick. I didn't want to like vlog, but Abby just finished taking some shots of me by the Christmas tree. Let me focus on it so you guys can really see the, so beautiful. But yeah, we're gonna go out to some Christmas tree lighting place, and then we're gonna come back, and Allie and I are gonna make some pastries. She's actually over there, by the way, but we're gonna bake some cookies and cupcakes and get, because we know we need to leave something out for Santa's, because I'm joking. Anyways, where's my bag? Let's go. We're gonna be baking some cookies, some cupcakes, and as I said, I wanted to do a little bit more holiday content. Tomorrow's Christmas, today's Christmas Eve. We're gonna be baking some cupcakes. That's fine. We have strawberry supreme here and confetti, and Allie is gonna be making some sugar cookies. Well, we're gonna all make them together as a family activity. So we have the cupcake liners in the tray here, and here are the ingredients, and then we have snacks for movies later. So, all right, Allie, let's go. First batch is in the oven. Time to get started on the sugar cookies. Abby, bring them.